Hello, I'm here in my basement laboratory checking out these two new batteries and the motor. So I'm happy to say everything works. So let me show you what I've got. I've got my new Tidalforce S-750 bike over here, set up on the floor. Since I don't have a wheel for either battery or for the motor, I've got to just attach the bike frame, which is sitting on the ground, with the double leg stand. And I've got my Psychoanalyst version 2 standalone connected in, let me swing over here, into the whole setup. You see it uses these Delphi connectors. They're waterproof. But this motor has a pair of Anderson power poles, so I jury-rigged an adapter which converts the, right here, this Delphi connector to an Anderson, and I've got the standalone box here. I've forgotten what it's called. I'm very tired. And into the power poles here, which goes into the motor. Then I have the controller wiring there, going into the motor, which I've just got hooked in. There's the Psychoanalyst showing the resting voltage of 43.6 volts. And here's the controller box for the Psychoanalyst. For the Tidalforce. And here I've got the second battery actually collected now. There's the Delphi connectors, the BMS cabling, and this is the charger port. And the same thing over here. Only I've got it disconnected now, as you can see. Hopefully. So there we go. So now, to test whether this is an X version or not, I've got a little reflector strip. You see it right here? Taped onto the rim. And here I've got a digital tachometer, an eBay special, which when you press this button emits a red light which bounces off that reflector strip and reads back into the meter and tells you how many RPM this is going. So now this is going to be tricky. Try to do all this since I only have two hands. Alright, let's see if I can do this. I'm going to hold this here under my arm. Haha. Okay. I'm going to start this and get the motor spinning. Hopefully you can see that. It's saying 259.7. Alright. Okay. I'll turn that off. Sorry about that. Look down here at the Psychoanalyst. We're drawing 98 watts, 22.9 volts right now. There you go. So the motor doesn't draw much power when it doesn't have a load on it, no rim or tires. About 95 watts, and it does about 259, almost 260 RPM. I don't know what the speed maximum is for the X version, but it's probably, what, 25% higher? So 260 plus another 20% is 50 some, so 300 some. Alright, anyway, more later.